Okay, so back to the chunk after the break. So what I've done is taken the lugs out. So we've got the empty lug holders. So what we got to do is unscrew them. There we've got a little bit of aluminum. This one's been used hard. It's gotten a lot of contact on it. So once we take that out, looks like we got quite a bit of copper right there. There we go. Copper. And if you look on there, that's steel, or silver. I mean, that's how thick those pads are. That's just awesome. I love these heavy duty ones. These have the most to produce, most to give back. And the best part about it is, found this relay and that 65 before that I did were both tossed in the trash. That 65 was brand new and it was still in the box. But you know what I did not see in this one? I did not see a core, so I'm guessing that aluminum or the copper core is inside of here. I'm going to have to break this apart and find out, because that's got to go somewhere. And like I said, this is all glued together. It's just one big piece, but hey, when you got a piece of ferrous metal that fits on one side of it, you got another piece of ferrous metal that fits on the other side, somewhere in there's got to be a coil. So I'll turn this apart later and give you guys an update. Take care.